Hello students. In today's class we are going to discuss the nature or characteristics of marketing. So the first one is it is a human activity. As marketing is a human activity under which human needs are satisfied by the human efforts. It is a human action for human satisfaction and therefore marketing is called as human activity. The second feature of marketing is it is a consumer oriented, as business organizations exist to satisfy human needs. Hence, with the help of marketer, business must find out what is the desire of consumer and thereby produce the goods and services as per the needs of customers, and thus only those goods should be produced that satisfy the consumer needs and at a reasonable profit to the producer or manufacturer. In this way, the more importance will be given for consumer satisfaction, and therefore marketing is considered as consumer oriented process or activity. The next feature is marketing is a exchange process. So marketing is a exchange process between the buyer and seller of goods and services. And for that buyer has to pay the price. So it is an exchange of goods and services for a price, and therefore marketing is considered as exchange process. The next feature is marketing is goal oriented. There are two ultimate objectives of marketing. The first one is satisfying the customers, and in return they can earn the profit. So these are the two ultimate objectives or the dual objectives of marketing. So marketers put all the efforts to satisfy the consumers, and in return he earn the profit or marketer earn the profit. So therefore marketing is a goal oriented. The next feature or the characteristics of marketing is an economic function. Marketing performs all the business activities which involves getting goods and services from the hands of producers into the hands of final consumers. So the business steps through which goods progresses on their way to final consumers is the concern of marketing. So marketing makes sure that the goods will be reached to the final consumers or users from the producers. So the all the activities which involve right from purchasing or getting the goods from the manufacturer, and then it will how the goods will reach to the final users or final consumers is the ultimate objectives or the activities which involved in the marketing. The next feature is marketing is a legal process by which ownership transfers. In the process of marketing, ownership of goods transfers from the seller to the purchaser or from producers to the end users. So it is a legal process through which ownership of the goods will be transferred from the seller to the buyer. And the next feature or the characteristics of marketing is marketing starts and ends with consumers or customers. Marketing is a consumer oriented process, as we know that, because it is a process where the marketers find out required information related to the goods and services from the customers. So he makes sure that the goods will be reached to the customers or the goods will be produced as per the needs and wants of the consumers. So it is the process which starts from the collecting information and ends when the goods will be reached to the consumers as per their requirement or as per their expectations. And that is the reason marketing is called as it starts from the consumers and ends with the consumers. The next feature is marketing is guiding element of business. Modern marketing is considered as the heart of industrial activities because it tells the industries or organizations about like what to produce, when to produce, how to produce. So all this information will be provided by the marketers to the organizations or industries, and that is why it is considered as a capable of guiding and controlling the business activities. The next feature is marketing is a system of interacting business activities. Marketing is the system through which business organizations interacts with the customers with the objectives to earn the profit, satisfy the customers and to maintain a good relationship with the customers. It is the performance of the business activities that direct the flow of goods and services from the producers to the consumer or the users. So the marketing is an interactive business activities between the consumers and between the business organizations. The next characteristics of marketing is an art as well as science. So in the process of selling the goods from the manufacturer to the consumer, marketing is considered as art as well as science, because in the technological arena, marketing is the art as well as science, because it helps the choosing the target markets and satisfying customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. So it is a technique or science of making the goods available at right time, right place, into the right hands, of right quality and in the right form at a right price. So all this possibles because of marketing, and that is why marketing is called as art as well as science. And the last feature of the marketing is a dynamic process, because the functions of marketing, the activities of marketing changes as per the changes in environmental factors, and that is the reason marketing is considered as a dynamic process. So all these are the few important features or the characteristics of modern marketing. Okay, in the next class we are going to discuss about the scope of marketing. Thank you.